Sansa feeds Ramsay to his own dogs. Sansa feeds Ramsay to his own dogs. Tyrion unchains Daenerys' dragons. Tyrion unchains Daenerys' dragons. Arya ends her training with the Faceless men and returns to Winterfell. Arya ends her training with the Faceless men and returns to Winterfell. We learn what happened to Hodor. We learn what happened to Hodor. The Hound is revealed to be alive. The Hound is revealed to be alive. Daenerys becomes Khaleesi of all the Dothraki. Daenerys becomes Khaleesi of all the Dothraki. Sam begins training as a Maester. Sam begins training as a Maester. Arya slays Walder Frey. Arya slays Walder Frey. Jon comes back to life and leads the Night's Watch. Jon comes back to life and leads the Night's Watch. Jon defeats Ramsay Bolton and becomes king in the north. Jon defeats Ramsay Bolton and becomes king in the north. Cersei blasts the Sept of Baelor, taking out Margaery, Loras, and the Sparrows. Cersei blasts the Sept of Baelor, taking out Margaery, Loras, and the Sparrows. Bran learns Jon is Lyannas' son. Bran learns Jon is Lyannas' son.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.